By 2030, projections indicate a staggering 145 million electric cars globally, even without government support. However, with their backing, this number could skyrocket to 230 million. The visionaries behind these charging stations are determined to unleash 1 billion electric vehicles onto the streets. Their relentless efforts focus on expanding the infrastructure, allowing for rapid battery replacements within just 5 to 10 minutes. Remarkably, this process costs 3 to 10 times less than traditional charging methods. Within weeks, cities can be equipped with these solar panel and wind turbine compatible stations that are fully automated and occupy only 2 parking spaces. Notably, they have already established test stations in San Francisco, secured a $15 million grant, and garnered recognition from prestigious publications like Forbes, Bloomberg, and Time. This dedicated team is revolutionizing efficiency and environmental sustainability on a grand scale. Their latest groundbreaking project involves harnessing wave energy to generate electricity. With a remarkable $13 million investment, they have successfully developed a test version capable of generating an impressive 1.5 megawatts of power. The concept is surprisingly simple, as the motion of waves creates pressure fluctuations, propelling the air within rubber membranes to rotate turbines. These membranes serve as the sole external moving parts of the entire device, ensuring minimal complexity. Furthermore, the team is also designing wind turbines to optimize energy potential at various locations. With the global offshore energy market projected to reach an astounding 500 gigawatts by 2050, the future holds immense promise for this remarkable team's innovative endeavors. Imagine this extraordinary vehicle, its unique appearance hinting at its remarkable purpose. It's being meticulously prepared to break a world record, aiming to cover over 2,056 kilometers while consuming less than a kilogram of hydrogen as fuel. If successful, this car will claim the title of the most efficient hydrogen-powered vehicle ever built. What's truly astounding is that a team of Dutch students crafted this marvel. Leveraging advanced aerodynamics and employing tires with a coefficient of friction 300 times lower than conventional ones, these compact and eco-friendly cars embody the future. By demonstrating hydrogen's efficiency as an energy carrier, the team seeks to ignite inspiration and drive towards a more sustainable tomorrow. Get ready for some thrilling news, all you robot enthusiasts out there. A groundbreaking Canadian startup is making remarkable strides in their project called Phoenix, a versatile humanoid robot with a surprising mission to generate employment opportunities. The core idea behind this remarkable innovation is truly captivating. By utilizing the extraordinary capabilities of GPR, the world's first human-like general-purpose intelligence, Phoenix flawlessly carries out instructions provided by a human operator. The incorporation of VR systems aids in acquainting the robot with diverse tasks. While the initial demonstrations focused solely on Phoenix's upper body, it effortlessly accomplished a staggering 110 tasks during testing, including tasks like goods labeling and stacking. The projected specifications for the complete robot are as follows: a walking speed of up to 5 km per hour, a height of 1.7 meters, a weight of 70 kilograms, and an impressive payload capacity of up to 25 kilograms. Get ready to witness the future of robotics. Meanwhile, a Canadian company has revolutionized the drone industry with their unique range of drones designed to cater to similar needs.
While they may not possess transforming wings like their Swiss counterparts, these drones excel in rescue operations in restricted and challenging environments. Whether it's navigating buildings, mines, or forests, they effortlessly hover, fly in reverse, and tilt as required. The top models offer an impressive 150 minutes of flight time, with the option to choose between internal combustion or electric engines. These versatile drones can handle payloads starting from 2 kilograms. Did you know that June 21st marks a unique occasion known as Ghost Skateboarding Day? Back in 2013, there were around 13.5 million avid skateboarders in the US, highlighting its immense popularity and widespread appeal. Recognizing the enthusiasm and willingness of people to invest in this exhilarating activity, a Finnish company introduced an ingenious concept: an extraordinary snow skate. This innovative creation aims to replicate the thrills of skateboarding but on snowy slopes. With a cutting-edge spring system that enhances the excitement and meticulously handcrafted mini skis made from Canadian maple, this winter wonder can be yours for just $312. Experience the ultimate blend of adrenaline and winter fun. Drones face a common challenge: excessive energy consumption in strong winds. But a Swiss startup has introduced an ingenious solution. Meet the drone with 4 adaptable wings. These wings can fold, rotate, and tilt back within a 90-degree range, enabling real-time adaptation to wind conditions. This groundbreaking technology can reduce energy consumption by an astonishing 85% in certain scenarios. The startup envisions its product being utilized for tasks such as inspecting power lines. However, the current battery life limits flight time to approximately 17 minutes per charge. Discover the future of drone efficiency with this game-changing innovation. Scientists from France and Japan conducted captivating experiments involving the creation of a robotic 6th finger, which they attached to the left hands of willing participants. Their objective was to observe how the brain responded to this enhancement. The additional finger was controlled independently through sensors on the forearm, detecting muscle activity. The volunteers were given diverse tasks, such as flexing their fingers randomly and pressing keys on a tablet. The findings unveiled swift changes in perception, although some subtleties emerged. For instance, when tasked with touching a line using the little finger without visual guidance, the volunteers began questioning the finger's spatial position. These studies are crucial in determining the acceptance boundaries for artificial limbs. The valuable data obtained will undoubtedly benefit prosthetic manufacturers and researchers in this cutting-edge field. In just 36 hours of work, without the hassle of welding, you can witness a remarkable transformation. Whether it's a classic first-gen Chevrolet Camaro or a timeless Ford Mustang, these iconic rides can be reborn. Enter the game-changing suspension tuning kit. Unlocking a staggering 800 horsepower capability, it's a game-changer for any vehicle. Even vintage 70s models can be elevated, though at a premium price of $9,500 for the parts alone. Users praise the seamless alignment with factory holes and applaud its ingenious design, which reduces unsprung mass. Prepare for a ride that transcends borders. This isn't a scene ripped from a science fiction flick. What you're witnessing on your screen is an authentic exoskeleton, a real-life marvel weighing 4 tons and boasting 200 horsepower. Resembling a robot, it is, in fact, entirely controlled by a human, magnifying their strength by a staggering factor of 50. In 2020, this extraordinary engineering feat secured its place in the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest 4-legged exoskeleton ever created. Today, its creators proudly exhibit it on television, arrange captivating demonstrations, and even teach nearly anyone how to pilot this groundbreaking invention.
What sets this exoskeleton apart is its distinctive reliance on the limb-for-limb principle, employing electrohydraulics instead of conventional joysticks, steering wheels, or pedals. Moreover, its efficiency is remarkable. A solitary charge can energize it for a full 60 minutes. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.